Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can download apps on your Samsung Galaxy A15. And for that you need to go to your Play Store, and then we have the For You page here. In apps we have top charts, children, and different categories. Then we also have the game section here for us, top charts, children, premium games, and different categories again. And then we have a book section, we have ebooks, we have audiobooks, different genres, top selling ones, new releases, and top for free. In all the categories you have that search bar here, and you can go ahead and type the name of an app in that search bar, and then if you found your app you can go ahead, read more informations, ratings and reviews about that app, and then you can say install. You can open it through the button here or uninstall it, and when you go back you need to go to your menu, and then Lieferando is there. So that's how you can install and download apps on your Samsung Galaxy A15. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.